Ever wondered if there was a simpler way to manage your money, one that felt less like a chore and more like a step towards financial freedom? Perhaps you're just starting out, or maybe you're looking for a bank that truly understands your needs, offering a blend of traditional reliability and modern convenience. Well, if you've been considering Lloyds Bank, you're in the right place, because today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal exactly how you can open an account with them, step by straightforward step. Opening a bank account can sometimes feel like navigating a maze of paperwork and jargon. You might be asking yourself, what documents do I need? Can I do it online, or do I have to visit a branch? And what kind of accounts do they even offer? These are all valid questions, and understanding the process up front can save you a lot of time and potential frustration. Lloyds Bank, with its long-standing history and extensive network, offers a range of accounts designed to suit different financial goals, from everyday current accounts to savings options that help your money grow. So, let's cut to the chase and demystify the process. First things first, you'll need to decide which type of account is right for you. Lloyds offers various options, including the classic account for everyday banking, Club Lloyds for those looking for extra benefits, and different savings accounts. A quick look at their website, or even a chat with their customer service, can help you pinpoint the best fit for your circumstances. Once you've got your eye on an account, it's time to gather your documents. This is a crucial step, so pay close attention. You'll typically need two main things, proof of identity and proof of address. For identity, think valid passport, a national identity card, or a driving license. Make sure it's current and clearly shows your photo and signature. For proof of address, recent utility bills, gas, electricity, water, bank statements from another bank, or a council tax bill dated within the last 3 months usually do the trick. Remember, these documents help the bank verify who you are and comply with financial regulations, so having them ready will significantly speed up your application. Now, for the exciting part, actually opening the account. Lloyds offers a few convenient ways to do this. The quickest and often preferred method for many is online. Their website has a user-friendly application portal where you can fill in your details, upload scans of your documents, and complete the process from the comfort of your home. It's designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each section. If you prefer a more personal touch, or if you have specific questions, visiting a Lloyds branch is always an option. You can walk in, or even better, book an appointment beforehand to ensure a dedicated advisor is available to assist you. Bringing all your documents with you will ensure a smooth process. They'll help you fill out the forms, verify your identity and address on the spot, and answer any queries you might have. Finally, you can also apply by phone, though this usually involves more back and forth for document submission. Once your application is submitted and approved, you'll typically receive your new debit card and any other account information in the post within a few business days. And just like that, you'll be ready to start managing your money with Lloyds. It really is that straightforward when you know what to expect. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.